Today I'm making elderflower syrup, and it will be hot bottled so it'll keep for months. You'll need equal parts sugar and water, a lot of elderflowers and a couple of lemons. Do not wash your elderflowers since the taste is in the pollen. Just make sure there aren't any bugs in there because, well, ew. Mix equal parts sugar and water. I'm using 1.5 kilos of sugar and 1.5 liters of water. Allow the sugar to dissolve on the hob on medium heat until a clear syrup forms. Cut up the lemons into the bowl of elderflowers. Once the syrup is ready, carefully, more careful than myself, pour it over the elderflowers. Cover with a kitchen towel and allow to rest overnight. Strain your infused syrup through a clean kitchen towel. You can use it as is, but if you want to make it last, put the syrup on the hob on medium heat and bring to a rolling boil for about 10 seconds to make sure it's good and hot. Be careful as it may overboil. Prepare some clean bottles and boil some water. Fill the bottles and let them sit for a few minutes. Get a funnel to make things easier on yourself and a kitchen towel soaked in cold water to protect your fingers. Now get to bottling. Things are about to get hot and sticky, but not in a way anyone enjoys. But persist by thinking of enjoying elderflower syrup well into summer and autumn. And you're done. Keep in a dark place to protect the color, and if all went well, this syrup should keep for about 6 months in closed bottles and after opening for about 3 weeks if kept in the fridge. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, you might think about subscribing maybe.